my name is Michelle, and through this video, I'll be demonstrating the gameplay of the Inciting Incident of my project Alley. I'll show you how the screen changes and progresses by explaining the sequence of events and by using 3D cutouts of the scenes and character. But before we start, I just want to point out and explain a few things that I'll be using throughout this video to better demonstrate my prototype to you. This paper represents a computer screen, which the storybook/game will be made to play on. This white box with a black border will always pop up at the bottom of the screen. It's an example of a narration box with descriptions or dialogue to give players a more guided experience. And I'll be using this as a mouse to guide players through the steps that they must take to progress with the storybook/game. The inciting incident begins here. The story continues and opens up with a black screen. A cell phone starts to ring, and the player must click on the narration box to progress. Once the box is clicked, the current narration box disappears and a new one appears. Allie can be heard sleepily saying hello. Once again, the player must click the box. However, Allie doesn't get a reply and the caller is silent. Player clicks the box. Allie tries to get a reply but is unsuccessful. Her voice unexpectedly cuts and the narration box disappears automatically after a few seconds. The screen is completely black once again. Allie opens her eyes to see that she has been taken to an unfamiliar place, one that resembles a long hallway. Her surroundings are all white and nothing can be seen in either direction. Player clicks the box. Allie turns around and starts walking. At this time, Allie is automatically moving and the player simply observes. Allie abruptly stops and she has a decision to make. Player clicks the box. She has 3 choices: keep walking, turn back, or take a break. At this time, I'll go through each of these choices to demonstrate the outcome of each choice. First, we will choose the first path, keep walking. Player clicks this box. When this decision is made, Allie continues walking down the path that she had already been walking down. Player clicks the box. After a few seconds, Allie can be heard screaming as it slowly fades. Then there is complete silence, and the scene ends. As previously stated, this is the outcome if the player decides to choose keep walking. Let's go back to see what would happen if the player chooses a different decision. When this choice is made, Allie turns around and starts walking in the opposite direction. After a few seconds, Allie does not find anything and turns back around. Player clicks box. She must make another decision and we are brought back to the choice-making screen. When this decision is made, Allie sits down in the hallway. Player clicks the box. However, after a few seconds, Allie turns to the side and spots something. Before Allie can panic, Allie can be heard screaming as it slowly fades. Then there is complete silence, and the scene ends. This concludes the demonstration of the inciting incident of my project, Allie.